Good afternoon and thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching Calcane TV live from our Sydney studios. This is the last show of the day, the last trade. Let's have a look at the market close. Today the S&P ASX closed up, gaining 75.60 points or 1.05% and setting a new 20-day high. The top performing stocks in this index include Zipco, which is up 8.92%, and Polynovo up as well 8.28%. Very similar there. And over the past 5 days, the index has gained 1.68%, but it's still down 2.60 for the last year-to-date period. And now for a look at the ASX-listed stocks in the news today and grabbing headlines. The latest announcements as well as stock price are on our watch. The share price of energy giant Ampol hovered in the green territory today after the Australian fuel retailer revealed that it has received a go-ahead from the competition watchdog New Zealand Commerce Commission. That is to acquire the New Zealand-based fuel distribution and retailing company Z Energy. And backed by the news, Ampol stock was spotted trading 1.780% higher at just over $29 on the ASX. The company's share price has gained 24.31% over the last 12-month period. And on to the next stock of the day, the ASX and New York Stock Exchange listed Irish building product company James Hardie Industries has entered into an agreement to acquire land in Melbourne for a capacity expansion. And following the announcement, James Hardie's share price advanced more than 2% on the ASX to trade at just over $46.59 a share today. As of date, the fibre cement building material company's share price is moving up, though in the beginning of the month it was at a low level. It's still more than 24% below its 52-week high price level of 58.07 each. And the share is trading at a price-earnings ratio of 28.2, and the annual dividend yield stands at 0.90%. The last dividend issued by James Hardie was in December of 2021, worth 0.412 a share. And also in the news today, the shares of Coventry Group were on investors' radar after the company provided an update on the acquisition of Gaudi and Fraser Coast Bolts and Industry Supplies. Today, the share price of Coventry was spotted trading 1.470 per share on the ASX. The group shares have gained 32.43% over the last 12 months, and plus the stock is 12.5% lower on a year-to-date period. The acquisitions are of immense strategic value to the group, while Gaudi expands the group's trade distribution presence in New Zealand. Fraser Coast Bolts and Industrial Supplies is expected to expand Coventry's Connect and Atria Australia branch network. And meanwhile, the ASX-listed medical device company Cochlear shares surged 1.22% today on the ASX. The shares gained in the early trades due to the ASX S&P 500 All Tech Index, also 1.27% up at just over 40,900. Since the company announced its half-yearly results from the financial year 2022, its share price has constantly been going up. Cochlear shares have gained over 8% since it declared an interim dividend of 1.55 a share in its first half 2022 results. That's an increase of 35% compared to the same period last year. The ex-date is the 18th of March and the dividend date for the dividend payment is the 21st of April 2022. The company's share prices have grown by almost 4% year-to-date and 7% in 52 weeks, which is worth noting. And finally, one last look at the news from the latest Australian unicorn, that is Linktree, which has raised $110 million. The Australian link in bio startup Linktree has raised the funds from an Index Ventures and Kosher position. The latest round was supported by the Australian firm Airtree Ventures, which pushed its valuation into unicorn status at $1.3 billion. With this raise, Linktree will be able to focus on its additional geographic expansion, recruitment, revenue streams, and add value for its creators and brands via new tools and partnerships. Linktree was co-founded in 2016 by Alex, Anthony Zakaria, and Nick Humphreys. The link in bio tool provider, which connects users' fragmented online presence, has over 23 million users. Well, that is a wrap for now on the last trade, but tune in next time only on Calcline TV. This is Holly Shields signing off.